Hi, my name is Nivedita Ramesh. Today I'm going to show how to do ETL exercise using Power BI desktop. Now I'm starting part 1 of the ETL exercise. First, I import the Excel file and select all three sheets because I need every table for cleaning and analysis. I select customer, product and sales sheet. Then I click transform data instead of load so I can clean the data first. And it will open the Power Query for us to edit. Next, we need to check the data type. For example, for customer ID, it should be the whole number. So I go to change type and check this whole number. Okay, next for the full names, street address, city, country, email is everything text. So we can see here the icon, it shows like text. Then uh, I apply trim and clean. So trim remove extra spaces and clean remove hidden character. So I select full name, street address, city, sorry, full name, street address, city, country, email, and then go for transform, format, and trim it. Then same method, repeat, just clean it. So we're done with the job. And the next thing is then we proceed with next steps. So we can see here the city got repeated. So for city names, I standardize Kuala Lumpur because different spelling will cause grouping problem later. So first we are going to look how many things are there. Okay, then go for transform, replace value. Okay, here I put K Lumpur to Kuala Lumpur. I fixed with this Kuala Lumpur and then I edit everything. So we need to repeat the same method until you can get the one value. Okay, I think now we are done with the city. Next, we are proceed with the email. So we can see here there is a null. So it shouldn't be like null. So I replace it with unknown email ID. Okay, we should repeat the same step as city, replace value, null, and then I replace it with unknown example.com. Okay, now there's no null for here. And I also remove duplicate customer to avoid counting the same person twice. So we need to select customer ID, go to home, and then remove row, and you can click remove duplicate. So it won't be repeated the same customer ID. Okay, that's all for customer sheet. Now we are proceed with product sheet. For the product row, I make sure uh, the data type is correct. So for the product ID, it should be whole number, and then product name and category should be text, and unit price it should be decimal number. So I need to check this one. Okay, that's decimal number. Now we are going to do category are correct. Okay, first we need to see the categories type. It should be for category only is AI, cybersecurity, data, and software. So now we can see here there is more than four, so we need to replace that same procedure as city. Go to transform, replace value, and then you can see here is A1 is supposed to be AI, and then the next thing is cybersec. Suppose it should be cybersecurity, cybersec. And then the data should be small letter. And then the last one is software should be one word. Okay, now we are done with the categories. We proceed with the unit price. The unit price should be the more than zero. So as we can see here, they got negative values. For this, we can using the number filters greater than. So we're going to say greater than zero as a requirement. And now we can see there is no negative values or lesser than zero. Okay, that's all for product sheet. Now we are going for sales sheet. Okay, for the sales sheet, we are repeating the same procedure. We need to check the data type. So sales ID, customer ID, product ID, and quantity should be the old number. And then sales date should be date. Okay, it's correct. Now we are going to see the quantity. Quantity not should be zero. So I just remove it from zero. Now you can see there is no zero in quantity. Okay, I think that's all for quantity. Now we are going to part 2. Okay, now we are done with part 1. Moving to part 3. Part 2, sorry. Okay, first we go to sales sheet and then home button and then merge inquiry to merge as new. And here we can see the sales row. So we have to merge it with product row. And then using left outer joins so all cells are kept even if product info is missing. Okay, so we need to choose the product ID and here also product ID and then click OK. So as here we can see the new table in merge 1. For here in this icon we can expand the sheet to everything. As required they ask us for product name, category, and unit price. So we select this, and then we need to untick this icon. Okay, we untick this thing because if we didn't untick means it won't be the output won't be product name. It will like product name raw dot dot product name and then product raw dot dot category. So it will not look nice. So we untick this and press OK. So here we can see product name, category, unit price. Okay, now we are going to repeat the same method as sales raw, but we need to merge. Sorry, it's wrong. And then we need to merge it with merge one. We need to merge with customer raw. Okay, then we are going to simulate this customer ID and customer ID and then left outer and then press OK. We need to expand the table as the one is full name, street address, city, and country. And then use no column and click OK. So we can see the new table here, full name, street address, city, country. Okay, we are quite done with the informations. We are going for next page. The next step is I rename the table name for fact sales because this is my main fact table. So rename fact sales. Okay, done. And then after that, I need to build the start schema. So I need to close and apply. So here we can see this. So I enable load and go to model view. So here got report view, table view and model view. So we are going to for model view. So here we can arrange it as our wish. So I arrange it first. Okay, we need to create a relationship between fact sale and then customer shade. So as we can see here is already done. So next we have to create a relationship between fact sale and product sales. So I drag it to here and then product ID to product ID. Okay, now we need to, okay, we are create a new relationship between product IDs. Okay, sorry just for just now. We need to make the product and then make it ID like this. And then product ID and save it. So here we can see here like this. Now we are proceed with the visual to create visual. So we go to report view. And then here we need to do the sales by category. So I choose the stack bar chart. Okay, here. And then for x-axis I put total sales and then for the y-axis put the category on here. So we can see here the sales by category. Okay, for the next one, top 10 customer, we choose the table. Okay, we put table here. Oh, sorry, it's a mistake. No, we put a table next here. Okay, next we need to create a table for top 10 customer. Okay, here. Then we need to put a total sales at column and then full name. So here we can see the total sales So maybe we can put the full name first for looking nice and then total sale. Okay, now is it okay? Okay, for the sales date, we go for the line chart. Okay, here. And then we need to put total sales and then sales date. So it's look like this. Okay, this one is quite confusing, so we go for the different point of okay here this one. Okay, and here. Okay, finally I create a visual sales by category and then top 10 customer and salesman. This completes my ETL part 1 and part 2 exercise. Thank you.